Welcome to 23 Barrett Crescent, a beautiful 3-bedroom brick home situated within a very family-minded neighborhood of Ajax's Westney Heights community. Hedges surround a stone front terrace, and through the enclosed entrance is a home with a warm and inviting ambience enhanced by the earthen shade of its neutral color palette. The ceiling color has been extended down to meet the upper trims along the walls, creating a crisp, clean line while visually heightening the ceilings throughout the main and upper levels. The main level's elegant, open-concept living and dining rooms both showcase the warmth of richly hued flooring, the ambient brightness of track lighting and a timeless light fixture, while the dining room has a vaulted ceiling with 2 skylights, a large window, and a sliding door walkout to the backyard, all flooding natural light into these lovely entertaining spaces. The walkout has a ceramic tiled landing and opens onto a large patio offering ample outdoor entertaining space, with the landscaped backyard also featuring storage and garden sheds, an above-ground pool, and a water feature below the seasonally lush tree. The reception hall has a double coat closet and access to the garage, and its ceramic flooring curves gracefully as it flows into the kitchen, which showcases the modern sleekness of a stainless steel fridge, dishwasher, oven, and double undermount sink, as well as a quartz counter, a stone-tiled backsplash, and rich wood cabinetry with upgraded hardware, while pot lighting complements the natural light that streams through the window of this elegant culinary workspace. To the upper level is a staircase with the classic finish of stained hardwood treads and railing with painted white risers and spindles, with this level showcasing hardwood flooring throughout, and a 4-piece washroom luxuriously appointed with upgraded tiles finishing its floor and the walls of a bath area with sliding glass shower doors, crown moldings, as well as a furniture-style vanity with a granite counter and coordinating mirror. The 3 bedrooms are all quite spacious, have good-sized windows for natural brightness, and ample closet storage, with the master bedroom having 2 northwest-facing windows and a large double closet. This home also features a single-car garage with a double-wide driveway and a partially finished lower level, which features a corner brick fireplace in its recreation area, which is nicely sized and has lots of potential, an updated 2-piece washroom with a contemporary vanity, as well as a laundry area with a front-load washer and dryer. A short walk to Lester B. Pearson Public School, and walking distance to St. Jude and St. Patrick Catholic Elementary Schools, as well as Pickering High School. This home is minutes to the restaurants and boutique shops within historic Pickering Village, and enjoys proximity to many of Ajax's exceptional amenities, such as indoor and outdoor sports and fitness facilities, recreational and community centers, the Durham Center Shopping Mall, Lake Ridge Health Ajax Pickering Hospital, the GO Station, as well as quick access to Highway 401, and Ajax's beautiful waterfront park with its over 7 kilometers of trails along Lake Ontario is also a short drive away. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.